Okay, last part, last page of this review. This is like the problem that we did, one of the problems we did when we were outside measuring. We also had a problem like this in the packet last week at some point. In order to measure the distance between UVA Stadium and the closest gym, Aquatic and Fitness Center, a group of students walked and measured a path. This is like the Tarzan problem. That's what we call it before. Okay. J is the location of the stadium. So here's the stadium. Right? And L is the Aquatic and Fitness Center. Aquatic and Fitness Center. Right, AFC. Student walks, so that's where this is where the students start. So they start right here at L. Student walks 45 paces on a line perpendicular to JL, so 45 paces perpendicular to JL, and depositing a friend at point K. So 45 paces from L to K. Student continues walking 5 more paces, and then turns right 90 degrees. So from K to S, that's going to be the 5 paces, and then turns left. He turns right. It says right. You can't even get it. You can't even get left and right then. All right, and then she walks 22 paces to see that her friend at K is in line with the stadium. Okay, now we've got our 2 triangles. 22, 5, 45, and the thing we're looking for, we'll call it X. So, X goes with 22. 45 goes with 5. I've got my proportion, and I can solve. Be careful. Make sure you put things in the right place. If I've got this big triangle on top, on the left-hand side, then I need to have 45, the big triangle on the right, the big triangle on top on the right-hand side. Okay, 5x equals 45 times 22. 5x equals 990. And so x equals 198. That's my answer. Oh, for this part here. So, number of paces, right? Because we're doing everything is in paces here. So it's 198 paces. Now, moving on, if every pace walked is 10 inches, how many feet apart are the stadium from the aquatic center? Okay, 198 paces is going to equal 1,980 inches, right? Because each pace is 10 inches, so I just multiply by 10. And then 12 inches in a foot, so I will take 1980, divide by 12, to see how many feet, and I get 165 feet. Well, okay, imagine the student had walked 11 paces to get from K to S. So we've got the same kind of thing, but instead of using, look at it like this, 45 here, instead of doing 5 from K to S, we did 11. How far would she have to walk in order to get line up here, line up her friend at K with the stadium at J? Well, so this is T down here where she stops. Well, again, we already figured this out. This is 198 paces, right? We did that in part A here. So this is 198 paces. If she walked 11, then how far would she walk here? Well, this is our X. 198 over 45. 198 over X equals 45 over 11. Okay. So, 198 times 11 equals 45 times X. 198 times 11 is 2178. Equals 45X. And then X is going to be 48.4. And that's, again, all of our numbers are in paces, so this is going to be in paces. 48.4. I don't know how you do 0.4 paces, but